Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a very chilled and relaxed type of vlog over a few days that I just decided to film randomly. Now, the reason why I'm not talking in any of these video clips is because of the fact that I have 4 children in my house and it is not ideal for me to be filming and talking at the same time when there is so much noise going on. So the best way for me to do it when I have all the 4 kids in the house is to do a vlog style like this with no talking. Recently, I got some super cute beads all offline and I have just started making these cute keychains and also teacher neck lanyards. These are super cute and I have been obsessed with making them lately, so I thought I would quickly show you guys one that I've made with this Highland cow on this gold hardware. It is adorable and I absolutely love it. The next day came around and usually after a few nights of crafting, my room is an absolute mess and you can see here it is a schmozzle. So it is time to clean it up, get it back to a somewhat tidy degree. All the shelves that are underneath my desk, unfortunately, I still have are quite a mess, and underneath the beads or the drawers I have there down the bottom is a mess. The cupboard that I have it sitting on is one from the kids' room and all of the fabric drawers completely deteriorated over time. Of course, because they're Kmart drawers, so they don't last forever. But we were going to throw away the shelf, but I thought it would be a great use for me in my second craft room. And I haven't gotten drawers to replace it all yet, so I've just gone ahead and shoved everything into the gaps that are there, so it's a bit of a mess. I should get some drawers or I should put some shelves in there, but I just haven't gotten to it yet, and I will eventually. All these baskets that I have here, well, the 2 baskets I have, one is a good basket and one is a bad basket. One is, the bad basket is the ones that obviously aren't good products that I've made or trials that I've made, and then the orange basket, it is all the good things that I've made that I've loved and like to show off and put on Etsy, so that's what they are. All my beads, I have them in these Kmart drawers. They are super handy and affordable, and I just have everything organized in there. Recently, I got a whole bunch of new focal beads, so I'm just going ahead and organizing them all and putting them into the drawers so they all have a place. Next on the cleaning task of this room is my laser machine. Now, this laser machine is well used, let me tell you that. I use it every single day, and I'm not exaggerating. I mean, I use it every single day. So it's really important to make sure the machine is kept clean, because if you don't, you can get fires that will happen from any debris, and just having too much dust from all the cutting and engraving that's done in the machine will eventually get into all the bits and pieces and stop it from working as good as what it was when it was new. So I like to go ahead and clean the bottom tray. I like to get a little fluffy brush and brush all of the, I think they're called axis, the X and the Y axis, that moving bar, and cleaning all the glass, because when you cut acrylic, it puts out like a whole heap of white powder, so it does get quite dusty in there as well. You can see down the bottom, my bottom discard tray is quite heavily burnt, and I don't think I'm ever going to be able to fix that. It's just from me trialing different types of settings and having my settings up way too high and burning the bottom. But now that this machine is nice and clean, the room is almost done, and it's just time to finish off with a vacuum. And just like that, it is somewhat tidier, nice and clean, organized. This is my kind of organized. It's still probably to some people a bit of a mess, but to me, I know where everything is, everything's got its place, and it's well organized. The next morning I woke up and of course it was back to being Monday, which was really depressing because I have a normal job where I go to work at 7:30 until 4:30, and so I have to do things when I can. I had 2 orders I had to go out, and unfortunately one of the lettering actually fell off. I was trying to use 3M tape for these badges, but at the end of the day, I think that using glue is the best way to go for the badges. So I fixed that one up there and they were all ready to be shipped out. Now I'm filming this probably about 6 o'clock in the morning, so I make sure that in the mornings when I have work and no kids are in the house, I get up super early and I do what I can in my craft room, like packing orders or finishing off any orders that I may have, or potentially playing around with my machine. Like I said, I use that laser machine every single day. So once this was all packed up, I headed off to work and I dropped this off in the parcel post box on my way to work. When did I become a lonely ghost? Like I said, every day I use my machine, and again, after work, after I've had a shower and I have no makeup on and I look like absolute trash, but I do not care, I'm going ahead and doing a couple of orders that came through for the day, and they are these engraved silicone bento lunch boxes. So I just go ahead and I do the center markings to make sure it's going to engrave properly. And this is how I look when I'm literally sitting here waiting for my laser machine to do its thing, because I never take my eyes off it. Once I've engraved the silicone boxes, they actually leave quite a bit of soot on top of them, so I have to wash them to make sure that they're all perfectly clean and engraved properly. These pajamas, by the way, I got from Kmart, are the cutest Care Bears pajamas I have ever seen, and they were like $25 and I absolutely love them, fully obsessed, and I wear them every single night. Don't worry, I do wash them, but I just love them so much, they're super cute. These lunch boxes, there's 2 that are heading to one customer and 1 is heading to a different one. So I am just finishing them all off, and even though the video doesn't show it very well, but here in the top corner, you can see this is how they actually look in the light when they are engraved, and they are so cool. I was actually quite shocked that I was able to engrave these silicone lunch boxes, and they turned out absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one where it's going to be back to doing laser stuff and teaching you things. Bye guys!